Okay, in this video, I want to share to you about how to make a grand luxury mid-century iconic house in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make the rectangle and click from this origin and to this area. Okay, and I will show you about the dimension. This is about the dimension of this building, approximately 28 meter and 20 meter in here. Okay, then I will continue. Okay, then we can click this surface and select push pull and push it up around 1000 millimeter. Then we can triple click, right click and make group. Then we can erase some dimension. Okay, then we can select the another color in here. This is the slab color with the light gray. Then we can select a move and tap control and move it up. We can type 6 meter and enter, and again in here. Okay, and then we can make the extra slab in here. We can make the extra slab in here, place to the position and click this one. Okay, then we can push until to the position. So it will be a rooftop area, and this is the additional room over there, and we can make the extra slab in here and also to the position. And we can also make the cantilever. We can make the cantilever, iconic cantilever in here like this. Okay, then we can click from the corner to the corner and offset it inside like this. Okay, then we can triple click, erase and push it down to the position. Then we can triple click, make group. Then we can erase the surface over there. We can select the line and select move, tap control, place to the position. Then we can type 9 slash and enter. We can make the grand luxury glazing with a large size of glazing for every single wall over there in here. We can type 3 slash and enter. Okay, and we can click this one and offset it inside. Click the surface and select copy and paste in place. You can click edit, paste in place and push to the position. You can triple click, make group. And okay, then we can erase this top and bottom surface over there and click this line, select move, place to the position. Then we can type 4 slash and enter. Okay, then we can click this line and select move, place to the position. Then we can type 3 slash and enter. And again we can select move, tap control, place to the position. You can select move and place to the position. Okay, then we can select the glazing and select the material of glazing like this. So anyway, this is a rooftop, so we can make the additional rooftop over there like this. And okay, we can place the railing. We can make group. Okay, then we can erase the unnecessary. Okay, we can select the line, select move, tap control, place the position. Then we can type 6 slash and enter. Then we can select move and place to the position. Then we can type 5 slash and enter. Okay, we can place the railing glazing in here. So now we can make the landscaping in here. Anyway, I would like to make the swimming pool in here, and this is the letter L or L shape a swimming pool. And then I will put the materials with the water materials like this in here. This is water materials, and now we can make the another landscaping in here. Okay, we can make the cornering landscaping and put the materials with using the grass over there. And okay, we can click and offset it outside and place the materials in here. Okay, then we can select the landscaping. Maybe we can use this landscaping system. I choose this one. Okay, and we can triple click and make group. Okay, then we can adjust about the tree placement in here. I would like to share about the tree placement over there. Okay, this is the tree placement, and I will assign about the materials about the tree placement, and we can click this palm tree, place to the appropriate position in here and in here and also in here. You can select move, place to the position. Okay, and we can also put the materials in here. Over there, select move, place control. Okay, just like this. And okay, now we can assign about the coloring for the roof materials. We can assign for the roof materials. We can assign about the roof materials over there like this. Okay, and also the slab color over there. Okay, just like this. And okay, and I will show you about the another elements in here. You can place the position and select move, tab control. I will put the wood materials. Okay, so this is the wood materials, and we can also make the another elements. Okay, you can push it to the front, make group, and select the another materials like this. Okay. Okay, and if you feel it's too much, so we can also make the column in here. So this is the center column. This is the cantilever column in here, and this is the swimming pool. So the swimming pool is on the column is on the swimming pool anyway. Okay, and then we can put the materials. We can put the materials with using this one and place the materials over there. Okay, then we can change the style. We can change the style with this style or many more. It's depend on your own style anyway. And we can also activate the shadow like this and adjust the time shadow just like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. This is only the basic conceptual of luxury mid-century house, luxury mid-century iconic house, modern, elegant. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.